G'day all, here we have the OKMO friction clutch pulley. It's designated the P51. I've been waiting for one of these for years and years to run accessories. Now this has been designed by Jin to run off his petrol engines that he's been putting out, and there's the list of the petrol engines. And how it works is that on the petrol engines, they have these drive pulleys, and you'll see how there's 6 holes in there. You take the screw out of there, out of each hole, and you put the drive pulley on, and that drive pulley replaces this pulley. So what I've done, now, as I said, I've always wanted to be able to have a clutch on a steam engine. So I fabricated this up on the lathe. It was pretty fiddly to say the least, and I've drilled and tapped 6 2mm holes so that I could put the screws through the clutch and mount it onto this aluminium pulley that I've mounted onto the steam engine. Now I've also made up this for thin belts, so that just slips on there, and I've drilled and tapped it for a grub screw in there. But I'm going to try it without that first, because I'm thinking that it's just going to run pretty dead center. I've tried to line it up as best I can, but I'm just running it off air just to give it a test. So the steam engine is just running on air, but let's give this OKMO clutch a test on a steam engine. I'll just show you how it works. So you can see I'm turning the pulley of the steam engine now, and that clutch isn't engaged. Now you just push in that, and now it's engaged. The engineering that's gone into this clutch from Jin is absolutely, is just amazing. It's like a Swiss watch in there. It's just absolutely beautiful. And let's give it some air. Let's give this steam engine some air, and we'll give it a go. Not enough air, come on. Don't want it to run too fast. Just nice and gentle. Just turn that air down a little bit. All right, so we'll engage the clutch. I didn't push it in hard enough. There we go. Turn that air down a little bit. Getting the air right, so that's running pretty good now. So we'll disengage. It's as simple as that. Re-engage the clutch. Now, every steamer out there would know, just be thinking right now how handy that is for running fountains or other water features or virtually anything. It would be so handy, because without the clutch, what you've got to do is try and get the drive belt onto that while it's turning. So you've got the accessory, you want to run the accessory, you've got to flip that drive belt on to get the accessory working. So this clutch is an absolute game changer. That ability to be able to disengage and engage is going to be absolutely fantastic. So it'll run off a flat belt. I've got a flat belt here, and here's an assortment of some of the belts that I've made up over the years of different lengths for different accessories. But there we have it, the OKMO P51 friction clutch pulley. Just give you one more look at that. So that's disengaged. You just push that in. Absolutely some fantastic engineering there from OKMO and Jim. As always, thanks for watching and bye for now.